Dear students, myself Dr. Dipti Shrivastava, Associate Professor in Zoology, Government Nungar College, Bikaner. With the continuation of reproductive system in insects, today we will discuss on male reproductive system. Male reproductive organs consists of a pair of testes, a pair of vasa deferens, seminal vesicle, ejaculatory duct and genitalia. This is the diagram of male reproductive system in insects. Here we can see the testes, one pair of testes lying in the abdomen, dorsal, lateral or ventral to the alimentary canal. Two pairs of vas deferens which are open into seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicles are opened into ejaculatory duct. Testes. The size of testes is practically same as that of ovaries in Aterygota and very much smaller in Terygota. They lie in visceral cavity above the alimentary canal and are connected to the body wall through translucent ducts and are well supplied with trachea and fat body tissues. Each testis consists of a number of oval shaped structures known as follicles or sperm tubes. Vasa deferens. These are the long tubes formed by the union of vasa efferents which receives the sperms from testes and allow their transport to the ejaculatory duct. Seminal vesicles. Each vasa deferens is become enlarged posteriorly to form a sac-like structure called seminal vesicle for storage of spermatozoa for some time. Ejaculatory duct. Both the vasa deferences of the two testes unite posteriorly to form a common median ejaculatory duct. The terminal section of ejaculatory duct is enclosed a finger-like evagination of body wall, the male copulatory organ or adiagus or penis. Accessory glands. These are 1 to 3 pairs of glands which open into the ejaculatory duct. In most cases, their secretion mix with spermatozoa. These glands are called mushroom glands in cockroaches and mantids because of their appearance as mushrooms. This secretion facilitates sperm transmission from male to female. In this figure, we can see the male reproductive system of various insects. In A diagram, we can see the male reproductive system in Odonata, example Orthitrum. In B, Dictyoptera, example Periplaneta. In C, Orthoptera Schizocerca. In D, Hemiptera Dysdarcus. In E, Lepidoptera Othracis, F. Diptera musca, G. Hymenoptera, example Apis, and then Coleoptera, example Mylabris. So, in different group of insects, the number of accessory glands, shape of testes, seminal vesicles, and ejaculatory duct, these are the different in different group of insects, but the main functions are the same in all the insects. Now, the structure of testes. Follicles. The testis is externally surrounded by two membranes, the tunica externa and the tunica interna, the former representing a connective tissue layer and the latter the peritoneal lining. It is internally composed of variable number of follicles or tubules. They are unifollicular structures in Aterygota except Thysanura. Paleopteran insects like Odonata, Neuroptera, Ediphagon, Coleoptera and Diptera. In other insects, they are multifollicular structures. The follicles vary in number from 2 in Anopleura to more than 100 in Orthoptera. They are arranged in a circle, rosette like fashion or radiated freely. Each follicle bears a distinct epithelial wall and the internal space is filled with the male germ cells undergoing development. They are arranged so systematically that they represent entire process of spermatogenesis from apical to distal end of the tubules, and on the basis of which successive developing regions can be distinguished, such as a germarium containing primary spermatogonia, a zone of growth where transformation of spermatogonia into spermatocytes occurs, and a zone of maturation where the spermatocytes are converted into the spermatids, and the zone of transformation leading to transformation of spermatids into spermatozoa after undergoing spermiogenesis. Duration of spermatogenic cycle varies from species to species. 10 days in Anthonomus while 28 days in Melanoplus. Apical cell. Beside the germ cell, the follicles of a large number of insects contain a large distinct cell or nucleated mass of cytoplasm at the apex called the Warsonian cell or apical cell. The function significance of the apical cell is much controversial. According to some workers, they act as trophocytes nursing the spermatogonia, while recent investigations suggest that they may be the endocrine elements secreting the gonadal hormone beta ecdysone. They are well developed in Lepidoptera, Coleoptera, Diptera, and some Orthoptera, Dictyoptera, and Homoptera. The apical cells form cytoplasmic connections with the spermatogonia in Orthoptera, Dictyoptera, Homoptera, and Lepidoptera. Cyst cells. All the gametes undergoing a particular stage of spermatogenesis and are often grouped together to form a cyst. The wall of the cyst is composed of unicellular epithelium. Example Orthoptera and Coleoptera, or it may be a simple membrane. Example Odonata. The cyst cells are known to supply nutrients and thus behave as the trophocytes. Example in Heteroptera. In cockroaches, release of a substance forming a cap of sperm bundles has been found to be secreted by such cells. Occurrence of sperm bundles is a common feature among some insects. Example Odonata, Coleoptera, Homoptera, and Orthoptera. Sperm. Each cyst contains 512 sperms in Melanoplus, 32 in coccids, or even one as found in Scheria, Diptera, depending upon the number of spermatogonial divisions, meiotic divisions, degeneration of sperm, some gametes, or unequal distribution of chromosomes and cytoplasm during meiotic division. A complete cycle of spermatogenesis takes place before imaginal molt in the insects. Having a short adult lifespan, but in most insects with long adult life, it takes place after imaginal molt. The matured insect sperm is filamentous, about 300 millimeter long, but length may extend up to 1.5 millimeter. Example Drosophila, while in the diameter appears to be even less than a micron. The sperm head possesses a long nucleus embedded in scanty cytoplasm and an apical acrosome anterior to the nucleus. In between the sperm head and tail, a centriole is situated from which an axial filament arises and runs along the entire length of the tail. The axial filament is typically composed of a ring of 9 doublet microtubules surrounding two central tubules, 9 plus 2 arrangement. Outside the ring of 9 doublets, one more ring of 9 accessory tubules is present. The axial filament is spirally encircled by a pair of lateral mitochondrial elements. The spermatozoa are finally discharged from follicles into the vasa differentia through the short fine vasa efferentia. Here we can see the structure of insect sperm, and the anterior most part acrosome is present, then nucleus, then we can see centriole, mitochondrial filament. So, the sperm is divided into two parts, head and tail. Next, vasa differentia. Vasa differentia receives the sperm or sperm bundles from the testes and facilitates their transport to the ejaculatory duct. The vasa differentia are mesodermal tubes differing in length among insects. The wall of these ducts consists of inner layer of thick epithelium, a basement membrane and a thick muscular coat made up of circular muscle fibers. They may run backward without undergoing any modification or may get convoluted and highly coiled, forming a definite epididymis or dilated or give out diverticuli consisting of seminal vesicles in order to store the spermatozoa for some time. The ejaculatory duct. Both the vasa differentia open distally into the median ejaculatory duct except in Anisoptera, in which they open into a median sperm sac. It is ectodermal in origin. It has a thick wall composed of strong muscle coat made up of outer circular and inner longitudinal muscles. The epithelium is internally lined with cuticle. The honeybee seems to be an exception in which muscles are absent. The ejaculatory duct in some insects is differentiated into anterior and posterior halves. The posterior half is strongly muscular and the lumen is folded. In Ephemeroptera, ejaculatory duct is absent and both the vasa differentia open directly to the exterior through paired male gonopores. In Dermaptera, there are two ejaculatory ducts, one may be vestigial. In dragonflies, the ejaculatory duct is indistinct. Here in this diagram we can see in A diagram vas deferens and in B ejaculatory duct. Next, accessory sex glands. They occur from 1 to 3 pairs and are either tubular or vesicular. The male accessory glands are of two types. First, ectadynia. They are ectodermal in origin and they open into the ejaculatory duct. The internal layer of epithelium is lined with cuticle. They occur in Coleoptera and in some other groups. Second, mesodynia. They are mesodermal in origin and they open into the vasa differentia, seminal vesicles or even in the ejaculatory duct. They occur in Orthoptera and in other insects. In beetles, both ectodynia and mesodynia may occur together. The accessory glands are absent in Aterygota, Odonata and some Diptera. In Odonata, seminal vesicles secrete the accessory secretion which forms the spermatophores, while in Diptera an anterior region of the ejaculatory duct is secretory. In Dictyoptera and Orthoptera, there are large number of male accessory glands and are collectively called the mushroom gland due to their such appearance. In Dictyoptera, the accessory glands are contain three types of tubules: the long peripheral tubules called the seminal vesicles. In addition, there are large whitish utricular glands. In Acridiidae, the gland tubules are differentiated into white, opalescent and hyaline glands. They secrete large number of proteins. In C diagram, we can see mesodynia and in D ectodynia accessory sex glands. Next, spermatophores and sperm transfer. Except some Heteroptera, Mycoptera, Trichoptera, Hymenoptera, Coleoptera and Diptera, in majority of insects, the sperms are transferred indirectly by enclosing the sperm in the tiny capsules called the spermatophores. The spermatophores are formed before mating in Gomophidae, Odonata, Grylidae and Tetygonidae, Orthoptera, while in other insects during copulation. They are formed in the seminal vesicle and sperm sacs in Odonata, while in the spermatophore sac in other insects. The spermatophore sac is formed by endophallus and edegus in Rhodnius, but by a pouch of ejaculatory duct in Blatilla and Locusta. The spermatophore is prepared in the female genitalia in Lepidoptera and Trichoptera. In Bursa copulatrix, in which at first the male accessory secretions are released and then the sperm ejected. Spermatophores of some species of cockroaches are about 10 to 15 millimeter in diameter and coated externally with a thin layer of uric acid to provide protection, while that of Heliothes contain chitin. In the dragonfly, Ictinogomus, spermatophores are simple spherical and composed of a carbohydrate protein mixture secreted by the epithelial cells of seminal vesicles. They enclose the sperm with heads towards the center and tails toward the periphery, just contradictory to the arrangement found in Leucophore. In higher insects, however, they are pear-shaped or oval, and their structure becomes much complex. The spermatophore capsule wall of cockroaches is composed of 3 layers enclosing a sperm chamber at the center. The innermost layer is secreted by peripheral tubules of utricular gland. The middle layer is formed from the secretion of the ejaculatory duct, and the outermost layer is secreted by the secretion of the phallic gland. In cricket Acheta, the wall is composed of 2 layers, outer and inner. Outside the inner layer at the apex lies the sperm sac containing a mass of sperm. The sperm sac is bathing in the evacuating fluid and is supported by the membranes attached with the inner layer. The inner layer forms a large central chamber which contains the paired pressure bodies, followed by the region filled with granular substance, and rest of the proximal half of the chamber is filled with spermatozoa. The sperms are arranged in transverse rows. The chamber opens through the proximal end, releasing the sperm outside. In A. pterygota, they are dropped on the ground by males, which are gently trapped by the females. In many insects, they are placed in bursa copulatrix of the female, and sperms are transferred to spermatheca by muscular contraction of genital duct. The spermatophores are dissolved by protective enzymes in Lepidoptera and Trichoptera. In some blood sucking bugs, the sperms are deposited in the hemocoel rather than genitalia of the female. So, today we studied male reproductive systems in insects. Thank you.